Hi,
Hello, how are
very good
you?
evening. Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm doing good too. How was your day?
Mm. Yeah, day was really very productive.
Okay,
So whatever was my to-do list, I have done it. So
that's
it was
great.
productive. Yeah.
So, what would you like to talk about in this particular session? So there are also some idioms that we can talk about of that we can
Hmm.
use in our daily conversations. Do
That is
you?
definitely help us
Yeah,
just to
yeah,
improve.
that are more used
Yeah.
frequently in our conversations.
Yeah.
So let's start with the break the ice. You must
Hmm.
be knowing what that means.
Yes, yes, yes. Break the ice means, can I give you one example?
Yeah, sure, sure.
See, for example, I'm in an interview and I want to grab the attention. So
Yes.
I can start my conversation with cracking any joke or giving any example or, like any famous quote. I can start with my conversation to grab the attention. That is something to break the ice.
Yeah, simplify
Even, hmm.
in simple language you can say to start a conversation comfortably.
Yeah, yeah, break the silence when
Yeah,
people
exactly.
people are like awkward or feeling not comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, then
Like
you
when you
can,
meet
hmm,
somebody for the first time and there's
yes,
an awkwardness.
huh. Then you can start with some, personal touch, or you can crack the joke, or you can give any personal example. So that situation will be comfortable for everyone to talk about.
So would you like to use that in a sentence?
I break the ice when I was giving my speech.
Yeah,
Hmm?
that's correct. Is spill the beans.
Yeah, it is also, I'm aware about it. Spill
Yeah.
the beans and you reveal the secret.
Yes. So why don't you try using that in a sentence as well?
Yeah. So yesterday I told a secret to my friend, but she spilled the beans in front of other friends.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so what about piece of cake?
Piece of cake, something very easy.
Yeah.
For example, you give me a task that you have to speak 1 minute for any topic. So I usually say that yes, it's just piece of cake for me. I
Yeah,
can
definitely.
speak, yeah.
Okay, so there's this other one in hot water.
In hot water, it means in a very difficult situation.
Yes. So
For example, I can use it when I heard a news that I have to give the speech on the auditorium or in my college function. So at that time, I feel that I was in hot water.
yeah. And then what about once in a blue moon?
Once in a blue moon, it means that is something happen very rarely.
Yeah.
That is once in a blue. Like
O-
I used to go to watch the movie in cinema hall once in a blue moon.
Okay. Then on the same page.
On the same page, even the same situation.
Actually, on the same page basically means that
Hmm.
suppose you and I are having a conversation
Hmm.
and we agree on the
With
same
the
thing. So we would be on the same page.
correct.
So why don't you use that in a sentence?
The conversation of Three Idiots movie, me and Safia was in the same page.
Yeah, definitely.
Were we having the same feedback for that movie?
Yeah. Then what about call the
Even
shot?
Safia, I would like to ask one thing. For
Yeah, sure.
example, if you are talking something and I relate with you that yes, I'm also agree with you. So I can say that I'm in I'm in same phase.
Yeah, you can say that. Suppose you're talking to anybody, you agree, you can say, I am on the same page with you,
Okay.
or we are on the same page about this.
Okay. Correct.
And then next would be call the shots.
Call the shots. I'm not aware about it.
Call the shots basically means somebody who is in charge of making the decisions. Like
Okay.
we can use it this way, that you are calling the shots about your life. You are the one calling the shots in your family.
Yes, please continue. I got
Okay.
to know that. Calling the shots means you are the in charge of anything.
Yeah.
That I am calling the shot of my spoken journey.
Yes.
This is how I can use.
Yes. You
Okay.
are taking the decision.
Okay.
And then go the extra mile.
Go the extra mile. I think doing the hard work, putting lots of
Yeah.
efforts.
Yes. So how would you use that in a sentence?
I can use like that for creating the content for social media. I am doing extra mile.
Yes, definitely. And then what about Rome wasn't built in a day?
But I can't recall now. So
It
can you
just
explain
means
it?
that great things take time.
Yes,
Like if
yes.
somebody is
Hmm.
rushing into something, you can say, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Hmm.
Like that way, you can use it in a conversation.
Yes, yes. Correct, correct. So I was asking that, for example, I went to a market yesterday. That
Yeah.
market was safe and sound. So these kind of also phrases we use in our conversation. So what
Yes.
exactly we call to these phrases?
These are called phrases only, like English phrases. Phrases and
Okay.
idioms are different. Idioms are the ones that are basically not very on the face. I mean, you need to know the meaning before understanding what it means. On the other hand, about phrases,
Hmm.
when you hear it, you understand what it means. It's easier to,
Understand.
yeah. I'm
Okay.
sending you all the phrases, all the idioms that I have.
I don't know why it's sometimes it happens that I'm not using it.
Because we are not used to speaking this
Yeah.
language and we are not that
Hmm.
familiar with it.
Example, if I am talking to someone and I am using lots of idiom and phrases, so I
Yes,
think I can't build a connection. That is like that personal touch in our conversation.
yes,
That
that's
shows
true.
that I am flaunting my, speaking skills. I don't know why. That's the reason I am hiding. I don't use lots of idiom and phrases.
You shouldn't think of it that way because maybe you are
Hmm.
thinking about it that way, but somebody might take it in a positive way and they might learn
Hmm.
from you
Hmm.
about it.
Hmm.
So
Correct.
instead of thinking that you are flaunting it, you should use these things in your daily conversations. It will make you better.
Hmm. And I think I should use these phrases wisely when, like, if I am meeting someone who is aware about, so I should use at least. If
Yes,
there's any
definitely.
basic level learner, I should not use. Okay. Yeah, definitely. I'll try now. I'll try to use it.
Yeah, it's almost time to end it, the
Yeah.
session. So I'll see
Unfortunately,
who learned something in this session.
yes, yes. The session was good. Thank you so much. Thanks for connecting me. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Take care. Good night.
Bye. Take care.